Hey everyone, the Government of India has presented their Interim Union Budget for the year 24-25.
Honorable Speaker, I present the Interim Budget for 24-25.
Today, we are going to understand the difference between an interim budget and the final annual budget in a few simple steps. To understand an interim budget, it will be better to start by understanding the final annual budget. So, what is an annual budget? An annual budget is the grand plan presented by the government for the entire fiscal year. It outlines the government's revenue, expenditure, and policies for the coming year. It's like a script for the entire movie with every detail carefully planned out. So, let's understand what is an interim budget. An interim budget is usually put in place when there's a change in government or just before elections. As we know that this year the 2024 Lok Sabha election is going to be conducted. Thus, the government has presented an interim budget. The main purpose of presenting an interim budget is to ensure that the government has enough funds to keep things running smoothly until the new government can present a full-fledged annual budget. It's like a financial safety net to maintain the country's economic stability. So, we can put it like this. While the interim budget is more focused on maintaining the status quo, the annual budget is the big picture, a roadmap for the country's economic journey throughout the year. It's where major policy decisions and long-term plans are laid out. If you have any questions on this topic, you can ask in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and let us know in the comments what budgetary topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay financially savvy.